Hello, my name is Nicole Stephanie Rivera Villamarin. I am single and I am from Tunja, Boyacá. I am 20 years old and I live in Tunja also. I am a kitchen auxiliary and I am studying industrial design at UNAC. In my free time, I like to play piano, reading books, listening to music, and something like that. In Tunja, the main touristic place are the Plaza de Bolívar, that is in the center, and we have a statue of Simón Bolívar that you can see it in this picture. Also, there are many churches. We have Las Nieves, Santa Clara, El Topo, and the cathedral in the center, too. The typical food of Tunja is the changua. It has eggs, milk, and a little salt. Many people don't like, but I like. The main celebration in my city is the Holy Week. It is so important because here we are so Catholic. So all the celebrations do in the cathedral, in the Plaza de Bolívar. They are the Nazarenos, and they use that cloth, remember all the life of Jesus. The activities that we can do in Tunja. In my city, I can go to the gym, I can go to the mall that called Viva, or also I go to Unicentro. In Viva, I can go and watch a movie with friends and something like that. So here it's a little city, but I can say that we have fun, I think. So thank you.